Hello guys and welcome to another video. It's CB Tech over here, and today we are going to look at Samsung Galaxy A8 and A8 Plus. We are going to have an overview of the device, which is just recently launched by Samsung. It is a budget smartphone from them. It is Samsung Galaxy A8 and A8 Plus. Looking at the history of Samsung Galaxy A series smartphones, they are mostly based on Samsung Galaxy S series smartphones, and from the back of Samsung Galaxy A8 it looks similar to the leaked images of Samsung Galaxy S9. On the back the smartphone have a camera sensor, and right beneath the camera is the fingerprint sensor, which is on a very comfortable position. And here is an image which reveals both back and the front of Samsung Galaxy 8 Plus, in which we come to know that it have a full beautiful glass man metal build design, which is just very gorgeous, and on the front it have an infinity display which is just stunning. This phone is quite similar to Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and Samsung Galaxy S8. Here is Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus compared to Nokia 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. So looking at the image, it is clearly seen that A8 Plus is on a new level. It is just a beautiful device with a beautiful and amazing display. Let's talk about the specifications of Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus. It has a 6 inches of Super AMOLED display with an 18.5 to 9 aspect ratio. It still have an audio jack, and it have a 3500 mAh battery along with 16 megapixel rear camera with an aperture of f1.7, and the front camera is 8 megapixels with an aperture of f1.9. It has 6 GB of RAM, and it also supports microSD card, which you can use to upgrade your expand your storage to 256 GB. It is a very good smartphone. Here is a device layout from the front. On the top you have proximity or light sensors, and with it you have speaker, and just with it you have front camera, which is dual front cameras. On the left side of the smartphone you have a volume key, and on the right you have a power key along with the speaker. And on the front, of course, you have a touch screen and infinity display, and on the bottom of the left side you have a SIM tray where you can insert your SIM card. Here is the device layout from the back, and in the back of the device you have a camera sensor, and right under it is a fingerprint sensor, and on the right side of the camera is flash, and on the left side of the camera is GPS antenna. On the top is microphone, top left actually, and on top right is the SIM card slash memory card tray, and in the middle of the device we have NFC antenna slash MST antenna, and on the bottom left you have earphone jack or headphone jack, most popularly said, and you also have microphone, and on the bottom you have the main antenna of the smartphone. Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus supports USB Type-C, so it means it is also capable of fast charging. So here was the video on an overview of Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus, and in my opinion it is a very good budget smartphone. If you are in the market for a budget smartphone, you should be looking for it. So thanks for watching the video guys. If you enjoyed the video or find it helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.